Now we can discuss about if a topic is relating to economics, in that currency trading. Currency trading or forex trading is to buy or sell currency in pairs. For example, today the US dollar stands to 80 Indian rupees. If we expect the dollar as appreciate against the rupee, you buy more dollars. Conversely, if we expect the dollar to depreciate against the rupee, you will buy rupees. Next point is, how do you trade currency? All currency trading is done in pairs. Unlike the stock market, where you can buy or sell a single stock, you have to buy one currency and sell another currency in the Forex market. Next, nearly all currencies are priced out to the fourth decimal point. A pip or percentage in point is the smallest increment of trade. And next point is currency trading good for beginners? Currency trading for beginners is fraught with unknown risks. Most beginners tend to lose money in forex markets. However, with the right education, practice and experience, you will learn how to profit in the largest and the most liquid market in the world. And next point is, what are the four major trading currencies? The major currency pairs on the forex market are the European dollar to US dollar and US dollar to Japanese, and Great Britain pound to US dollar and US dollar to CHF, Chinese franc. And the four major currency pairs are some of the most actively traded pairs in the world, along with the so-called commodity currency pairs, USD CAD, that is Canadian dollar, and Australian dollar to USD, and New Zealand dollar to USD. And next point is, which currency is the strongest? The Kuwaiti dinar. The Kuwaiti dinar is the strongest currency in the world, with one dinar buying $3.26. Kuwait is located in the Persian Gulf between Saudi Arabia and Iraq, and the country earns much of its wealth as a leading global exporter of oil. Next point is, what are the forex pairs of INR? Forex pairs for INR. The basics of currency trading in India is allowed the following pairs only: USD to buy INR, European dollar, European EUR to INR, JPY to INR, GBP to INR, EUR to USD, GBP to USD, and USD to JPY. Forex trading is facilitated on the National Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, and Metropolitan Stock Exchange of India Limited. And the next point is, what are the top 5 traded currencies? US dollar, Euro dollar, Japanese yen, JPY, that is British pound sterling, GBP, British pound sterling, and Chinese renminbi, CNH, and Australian dollar, AUD, the Canadian dollar, CAD, and Swiss franc, CHF, and Japanese yen is JPY, and British pound sterling is GBP. This is the information regarding 5 top traded currencies. And next point is, which is better, Bitcoin or Forex? Bitcoin versus Forex trading. Accessibility. Typically, a Forex market is seen as more accessible than Bitcoin because it can be traded directly through a broker, and there is a higher number of market participants to make the other side of a trade. In contrast, Bitcoin trading is less liquid and requires a wallet and exchange account. Next point is, which currency is the lowest in the world? Iranian Rial. Today, 1 Indian rupee is equivalent to 514.41 in Iranian Rials. So, currently, Iranian Rial is considered world's least valuable currency. This is the result of factors like political unrest in the country, the Iran-Iraq war, and the nuclear program also played a huge part. And next point is, how many countries accept Indian rupees? 18 countries will accept Indian rupees. The central bank RBI has allowed 18 countries, which include Germany, Kenya, Sri Lanka, Singapore, UK and many other countries, to transit in rupee. Indian rupee is now going global as 18 countries have agreed to trade in rupee. This is the information regarding the currency trading. So nowadays currency trading is also very much interesting, and those experts are also there in this. So those having very good analysis that with the different countries rupees, how the value is increasing and decreasing, they can think over, and they will purchase and sell according to their trends. So this is the information regarding currency trading. Wishing you all the best.